Hello and welcome to Watch Tonight. And today we are going through biography of Simon Cowell. In this we'll go through his family, home, career and early life. So let's start. His full name is Simon Philip Cowell and his nickname is Just Trade, Mr. Nasty. He's reality television judge, producer, screenwriter. He was born in 1959 on 7th of October. He was born in Lambeth, London. Let's go through his childhood and early life. He was brought up in Elstree, Hertfordshire. He went to Radlett Preparatory School in Hertfordshire. After that, he moved to Dover College and left it after taking CCA. He dropped out before completing his education. From early age, he had interest in film and music. Let's check out his career. He did several menial jobs. After dropping out, he found them boring. For a short time, he worked as a runner on the set of movie The Shining. He finally landed a job as a mailroom clerk at EMI Music Publishing with the help of his father. He left the company in early 1980 and formed ENS Music, but the company didn't last long. In 1985, he formed the Fanfare Record. It enjoyed a short-term success but closed down soon. Later, he was offered the position of A&R consultant for BMG. He was selected to be one of the judges on Pop Idol in 2001. In 2002, he founded Psycho Entertainment and produced shows like The X Factor and Got Talent franchise. He went on to judge American Idol from 2002 to 2010. Let's check out some of the major shows he has done. He has been part of Got Talent, Rock and Rivals, The X Factor. Let's check out his physique. He has dark brown hair and dark brown eyes. This is measurement of his body. His height is 5 feet 8 inches and weight is 84 kg. His distinct feature is plump face and a smile. Let's check out his net worth. Simon is worth $550 million, and most of it comes from his stint as a producer of various TV shows. Let's check out his car and bike collection. These are his car collections. He owns several Range Rovers, Audis, Mercedes, Bentley, Porsche, Ferrari, and also various vintage cars. Let's check out his family. His father was Eric and mother name was Julia. He has a younger brother Nicholas and 3 half brothers and a half sister. Since 2013, he has been dating Lauren and he has a son with her named Eric, born in 2014. Let's check out his home and property. He owns several property and this one is in Beverly Hills, California.
So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon from which you get the notification directly. So thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in next video. Love you.